Namaskar. Today, many people complain of troubled digestion, partly because of what they eat, but mainly how they eat. Scrolling while eating, eating out of stress, eating late at night, all these habits slowly weaken your fire in your stomach, Agni. According to Ayurveda, Agni controls your overall health. When Agni is strong, digestion is smooth and your body feels light and energetic. But when it weakens due to overeating, irregular meals, late dinners, or stress, you may experience gas, bloating, heaviness, and acidity. Now, before I share a very effective remedy for these issues, let me make one thing very clear. No remedy can replace a mindful lifestyle. Regular meals, early dinner, slow eating, and emotional balance are non-negotiable for good digestion and overall health. But sometimes, despite our best efforts during travel, festive seasons, or stressful days, digestion can go off track. That's when you can turn to an age-old natural remedies made with just 3 powerful ingredients: Ajwain, Haldi, and Kala Namak. Ajwain or carom seeds stimulates digestive enzymes. It helps in releasing trapped gas and removes toxin, that is from your intestine. Haldi or turmeric heals your gut lining and reduces inflammation. Its compound curcumin acts as a natural antiseptic for digestive tract. Kala Namak or black salt improves bile flow and supports the absorption of nutrients. It also balances Vata and Kapha dosha. These common ingredients in your kitchen are not just spices, they are powerful Ayurvedic medicines. When combined, these three create a mixture that awakens your sluggish digestive system, and that too without any side effect. So let's see how to use these forgotten remedies. After meals, take Ajwain half teaspoon, Haldi half teaspoon, Kala Namak a pinch. Mix it in lukewarm water or buttermilk and sip slowly. Or you can dry roast Ajwain slightly. Mix it with Haldi and Kala Namak and keep it in a small jar. Just the small pinch on your tongue after a heavy meal will make you feel good. What happens here is that Ajwain contains thymol, which increases your gastric acid secretion to help digestion. Turmeric has curcumin, which detoxifies your liver and helps in fat metabolism. And Kala Namak is rich in natural minerals and has a mild laxative property that keep your bowels regular. So here, when all these three come together, restore natural rhythm of your digestive system. Apart from this, I will give you some general tips for your digestive health. Eat only when hungry. Avoid eating when you are feeling any strong emotion. Chew thoroughly, because you should remember that digestion begins from your mouth. About 30 minutes after your meals, sip warm water to dissolve your toxins. Avoid lying down immediately after your meals. Instead, walk for 10 minutes. A simple Satpavali walk. Then sit in Yogendra Vajrasan for some time. Add fresh ginger and cumin in your cooking. Manage your stress with deep breathing and relaxation. Sleep on time, because rested body digests better. Natural remedies like Ajwain, Haldi, and Kala Namak are not shortcuts. They work best when supported by mindful eating, discipline, and gratitude towards food. Every meal is sacred. When we eat with an awareness, even a simple food becomes a medicine. Remember, when your digestion is strong, the whole system thrives. Energy, immunity, and even your thoughts will flow with harmony. Namaskar.